Your baby's brain is growing faster right now than it ever will again. In the first 2 years of life, billions of neural connections are forming, shaping memory, attention, emotional regulation, and future intelligence. What you feed your baby during this stage is not just food, it is brain fuel. The right purees can provide essential fats, iron, antioxidants, and micronutrients that support healthy brain wiring. Today, you'll learn 7 powerful brain-boosting purees designed for different developmental stages, helping you nourish your baby's brain step by step. This video is educational and does not replace medical advice. Always introduce foods according to your baby's readiness and consult your pediatrician when needed. Stage 1. 6+ months. Avocado plus breast milk or formula puree when babies first begin solids. Texture and digestibility matter. Avocado blended with breast milk or formula creates a creamy, nutrient-dense puree, rich in healthy monounsaturated fats. The brain is made largely of fat, and these fats support neural membrane development and efficient communication between brain cells. This combination also ensures familiarity and taste while introducing essential brain-building nutrients. Simple, smooth, and powerful. Stage 1. 6+ months. Pumpkin plus olive oil puree. Pumpkin is rich in beta-carotene, which the body converts into vitamin A, supporting neural growth and vision development. Adding a small amount of high-quality olive oil increases absorption of fat-soluble nutrients and provides additional healthy fats to support brain development. This puree is gentle on digestion while delivering antioxidants that protect delicate brain cells during rapid growth. Stage 2. 7 to 8 months. Pear plus chia seed puree as babies tolerate more textures. You can introduce mild fruit paired with brain-supporting seeds. Pear provides natural carbohydrates for steady brain energy, while chia seeds, finely ground and soaked, deliver plant-based omega-3 fatty acids, fiber, and minerals. Omega-3 support brain cell structure, and fiber supports gut health, which directly influences brain function through the gut-brain connection. Stage to 7 to 8 months. Zucchini plus lentil puree. Iron becomes critical around this age as natural iron stores decrease. Lentils provide plant-based iron and protein, both essential for oxygen delivery to the brain and cognitive energy. Zucchini adds hydration, vitamins, and gentle texture. Together, they create a balanced puree that supports focus, energy, and steady development. Stage 3. 8 to 10 months. Egg yolk plus sweet pea mash. As babies progress to thicker textures, egg yolk becomes a powerful brain food. It contains choline, a key nutrient for memory formation and brain cell communication. Sweet peas add fiber, plant protein, and additional micronutrients. This combination supports attention, memory, and emotional regulation, while gently introducing richer flavors and textures. Stage 3. 9 to 10 months. Sardine plus carrot puree. Sardines are a nutritional powerhouse packed with DHA, an omega-3 fatty acid essential for brain structure and visual development. Carrots add antioxidants and natural sweetness, making the flavor more appealing. When blended smoothly and prepared safely, this puree delivers powerful brain-building nutrients that support attention and cognitive growth. Stage for 10 to 12 months. Broccoli plus chickpea mash. As chewing skills develop, thicker mashes support motor development and oral coordination. Broccoli provides antioxidants, vitamin C, and compounds that support brain cell protection. Chickpeas add protein, iron, and magnesium, which support neurotransmitter balance and cognitive function. This combination nourishes both brain and body during rapid developmental leaps. Why these purees matter at each stage. Brain development depends on timing. Early months require fats and gentle nutrients. Mid-stages require iron and protein. Later stages benefit from complex textures and micronutrients that support advanced neural integration. Matching nutrition to developmental readiness maximizes brain support. The role of texture in brain development. Texture progression is not just about eating, it supports sensory integration, jaw strength, speech development, and oral motor coordination. These systems are closely linked to language and cognitive growth. Gradual progression from smooth to thicker textures supports neural complexity. How to prepare safely. Always introduce one new ingredient at a time. Watch for allergies. Adjust consistency based on your baby's ability. Avoid added salt or sugar. Focus on whole, minimally processed ingredients. Fresh preparation preserves nutrients and supports optimal brain benefit. The gut-brain connection in purees. Many of these purees support gut health through fiber, healthy fats, and probiotics from natural foods. A healthy gut improves nutrient absorption, reduces inflammation, and supports neurotransmitter production, directly influencing mood and focus. Common mistakes to avoid: relying only on fruit purees, avoiding iron-rich foods, adding sugar for taste, keeping textures too smooth for too long. Brain development requires diversity and progression. Signs: brain nutrition is supporting development, improved focus, better sleep, increased babbling, stronger curiosity, calmer behavior, and steady milestone progression are signs your baby's brain is receiving what it needs. Nutrition works quietly but powerfully behind the scenes. A final message for parents: you do not need expensive supplements or commercial brain foods to make your baby smarter. Consistent, balanced, nutrient-dense purees, introduced at the right stage, provide everything the developing brain needs. Small daily choices build strong neural foundations for life. Question for you: which puree will you try first, and what stage is your baby currently in? Share in the comments. Your experience may inspire another parent. Final message: thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe to Little Nest Guide, and share this video with parents who want to support their baby's brain development naturally. Remember, this video is educational and does not replace medical advice. Always consult your pediatrician if you have concerns about feeding or development. See you next time, where we help you nurture your baby's brain, growth, and future.